Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is making words from U to Z. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. This is the title of the class. Make two words with each letter. Just look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are here, and you have to write two words with each letter. At first, U. U for umbrella, R. U-M. B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M. B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And arm. U-R-N. Arm. U-R-N. Arm. U-R-N. Arm. Now V for vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. And van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Now W. Well and watch. W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. And watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Now X. X for Xmas, that means Christmas, and xylophone. So Xmas, M-A-S, mas. X, M-A-S, mas, Xmas. X, M-A-S, mas, Xmas. Now xylophone. X-Y-L-O, xylo, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. X-Y-L-O, xylo, P-H-O-N-E, phone, xylophone. X-Y-L-O, P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Now Y. Y for yak and Y for yo-yo. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. And yo-yo. Y-O, Y-O. Y-O, Y-O. Yo-yo. Y-O, Y-O, yo-yo. Now Z for zip and Z for zebra. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. And zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now students, now just look. U for umbrella, arm. V for vase, van. W for well, watch. X for Xmas and xylophone. Then Y for yoke, yo-yo. And the last one is Z. Z for zip and zebra. Students, in the previous class we learned the word making from N to T. And today we have learned U to Z. So our vacation SW. SW for vacation is making words from N to Z. This is our vacation. This is our SW for vacation. Okay, so making words N to Z. And students, that's all for today. After the vacation, then you have to submit this HW. Stay safe, stay well, Allah.